In our recent lesson, we delved into the significance of home row keys, crucial for proficient typing, where fingers naturally find A, S, D, F, J, K, L, and the semicolon. In today's class, we will discuss the topic basic services. Finger placement on basic service keys is essential for efficient and accurate typing, enhancing speed and skill development. 1. Home row keys. The basic service keys, often referred to as the home row, are a crucial starting point. For the left hand, these keys are A, S, D, and F, while the right hand's home row consists of J, K, L, and the semicolon. When your fingers are at rest, they should naturally rest on these keys. This position allows for quick access to all the other keys on the keyboard. 2. Finger allocation. Each finger has a specific set of keys it should be responsible for. On the left hand, your little finger, pinky, should be responsible for the A key, your ring finger for S, your middle finger for D, and your index finger for F. Similarly, on the right hand, the fingers should be allocated to the J, K, L, and keys. 3. Keyboard slope. Ensure that your keyboard is slightly sloped towards you. This angle is ergonomic and makes it more comfortable to place your fingers on the home row. It also helps maintain a neutral wrist position, reducing the risk of strain or discomfort. 4. Maintaining proper posture. Sit up straight and maintain good posture while typing. This helps ensure that your hands naturally align with the keyboard and reduces the risk of strain on your wrists, shoulders, and neck. 2. Manipulation of the basic service keys using soft touch. Once you've mastered the concept of finger placement on the basic service keys, the next step is to learn how to manipulate these keys with a soft touch. Soft touch typing is about striking the keys with just the right amount of force and avoiding excessive force or pounding on the keyboard. Here are some tips. 1. Light keystrokes. When pressing a key, apply gentle, consistent pressure. You don't need to use excessive force. Light and controlled keystrokes are not only more comfortable but also help reduce typing fatigue over extended periods. 2. Key release. After striking a key, release it promptly. Do not keep your finger on the key after pressing it. This allows for a smoother typing flow and minimizes errors. 3. Finger independence. Train your fingers to work independently. Each finger should be responsible for specific keys, and they should act independently to minimize hand movement. Avoid using the same finger for adjacent keys whenever possible. 4. Practice regularly. Typing with a soft touch might feel a bit strange initially, especially if you're used to pounding the keys. However, regular practice and patience will help you develop this skill. Typing exercises and practice programs can be helpful. 5. Ergonomic keyboard and position. Using an ergonomic keyboard and maintaining proper hand and wrist position can make it easier to employ a soft touch. This reduces the strain on your hands and wrists. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.